three talking points on every major talk that has been subbing out our team in the last 24 hours. And first of all, we will be talking about that match, full analysis of that match that we played yesterday at the Amex Stadium. Chelsea away, Brighton hosting Chelsea at their home, Amex Stadium. And after that 90 minutes, Chelsea 3, um, Brighton 3, Chelsea nil. Worst match ever, worst performance ever. We'll be dissecting that. And number two, we'll be talking about the latest news about Liam Reznor. And number three, I'll be calling out some legends. Maybe say we need to hold very well. Now let's quickly dissect one or two. And guys, before we dissect any other thing, please all me like this video. For you that have not subscribed, that has not been subscribing on my video, and YouTube have been bringing my videos to you, abeg, this is the time for you to subscribe. Na your pikin I be, let me subscribe. And to you that have not been liking my video and you are always watching, and some sef dey no dey even wetin dem dey call am comment, abeg, this is the time for you to start commenting and let's dissect this in toto. Now guys, first of all, after that 90 minutes, after that shambolic, useless, clueless, on match without statistic, match without wetin we go call am sef, match without tactics wey be say Liam Rosinha play yesterday, it ended Chelsea 3, Brighton nil. And that match was a clueless, not a tremendous performance from the boys, because everybody no go talk say the boys are now tired of playing for Liam Rosinha. This is the worst ever performance I will ever see Chelsea playing. And let's quickly add this to it. Liam Rosinha is a bad record breaker, because in the first time in history of Chelsea football team, Chelsea has now played 5 Premier League matches and lost 5 without scoring a goal. And this is the record of 1912, 112 years ago. Time wey be say they never born me. Oh boy, Liam Rosinha, you are not the right man to coach Chelsea. I could remember clearly when Oga Professor came out to say it, the day Chelsea sacked Enzo Maresca, that this is the, let me talk, see how we even put ourselves, worst mistake Chelsea will ever make, sacking Enzo Maresca. Though Enzo Maresca is a player wey be say Chelsea fans are complaining of. In what way? Because we don't have shape, number one. We are not patient. And even this man, not being our right man, he won the FIFA World Cup for us. Mauricio Pochettino qualified for the Conference League, and Enzo Maresca as a tactician went there to win that cup for us and also used a FIFA World Cup to back it up. What a great season for him. And even make top 4, qualifying to the Champions League. Because of this man was demanding for players that Leverkusen is injured and he need backup. These people said since he already won the FIFA World Cup, he is already having pride. He's now having mouth to request for players. Is he not going to request for players? So after that match, Chelsea played 90 minutes with, they played two static information in that match yesterday. If you could watch that match clearly, you could see that Liam Rosinha came up in the first half with 3-5-2 performance and 7 defenders in that match, and those 7 defenders could not tight that defense. It took Brighton 3 minutes to open us. And we are here saying it is the clinic of Liam Rosinha, Chelsea is the, are they the one? Number 2, what I noticed in that match, no shot on target. And I will be calling out 3 or 4 players now wey be say Chelsea need to sell in the summer transfer window. Number 1, Liam Delap. This guy does not know how to play. He's only to foul. He's an aggressive player. Number 3, he does as a striker. Number 9, you do not have one shot of target, only to to convert ball into corner kick. Guy, if it's corner that you want, by any means go to Arsenal football team. They are set piece FC. Manchester United are set piece FC. Number 2 on my list, Alejandro Garnacho. He is the worstest signing. I saw a statue on X yesterday that they did. Chelsea did a statue of Alejandro Garnacho at Stamford Bridge. That is the worstest signing. They are going to take his matter to court. They will go and charge wetin dey call him, Manchester United for selling him for scamming them. But I know it's a lie. That one na AI. But we have to say the facts. Alejandro Garnacho, Liam Delap, these are worst players that Chelsea have buy. And number 3 on my list is this guy, Maguire. He's not worse, but he's not having playing time. Abeg, make una carry this guy to away for one team. Take this guy to one team. Let him go and play. Let him play good football. Number 4 on my list, as I dey talk now, those players dey come my mind. Jamie Gittins, that one na the worstest, na worst signing also. Na to dey come our team come get injury. He played how many matches? Oh boy. No problem. And now we'll be moving to Blue Co out before I go to that possible news about wetin dey call am, Liam Rezeno. Blue Co out. At the end of that match, Chelsea fans, una no ready to push these people out. You are not ready to push these people out. Assuming say una dey ready. You told us that according to the report you'll be hearing that in that match you'll be playing against Brighton, you are going to bring out your banner. You will post out your banners inside that stadium while the match is going on. But you people are still expecting to look like say you are going to get a win out of that match. You kept quiet. It got to a point you start singing "He's one of our own." That was for Brighton fans. He's one of our own. Liam Rosinho is one of our own. That does not even pay me. That one is not even driving me at all. Now, close to the 70 something minutes, you guys now brought out that blue banner saying Blue Co out. Bayard Bali, waiting with that morning, was in the stadium yesterday, sitting down, watching that match, looking at the failure of where they are pushing this club into. You guys, you are failure. Blue Co out. As from now henceforth, every video I'll be dropping, you'll be seeing it on my screen. I'll take it as a small sticker. Blue Co out. Now, moving on, we'll be talking about Liam Rezeno matter, because lately this morning I heard that Chelsea are now considering, Chelsea hierarchy are now looking at Liam Rezeno matter, say it's possible this guy gets sacked. They're now searching, and there's a lot of pressure on this man. Because if you look at his post-match, Baba don tire, and the players sef, they are not ready to play for him. Because from the beginning till the end, till now, the players are not ready to play for him. They will never play for him, and they are not even dreaming of playing for him. So that's the possible news about the Amazon. We'll be moving on, talking about some legends like in likes of Didier Drogba, Gran Francisco Zola, Joko don dey come out to talk him own. John Mikel Obi don dey come out to talk him own. And those of una wey be say I call your name now, make una join hands together with Chelsea fans. Let's push these people out of our club. If we don't do that now, these people are ready to destroy. They will take Chelsea football team to where we don't expect. Oh boy. Beloved Chelsea fans, let me know your thought about everything that I've said now, and let's be looking forward to see more from our team. Because now on Sunday we play match with Leeds United, and I'm not expecting a win from that match. And that reminds me, this jersey I'll not be wearing it if Chelsea does not win that match. If Chelsea should lose that match on Sunday, bet it with me, I will not wear this match. I will not wear this jersey again. I've seen Danny fans tribe saying that he's not going to wear his jersey again. He's going to burn it. Oga Professor Abedi give up his jersey yesterday that he's not going to be wearing it anymore. So, beloved Chelsea fans, let me know your thought about this report, and I'll be seeing you guys later for every other news that has been subbing around our team in the last 24 hours. And abeg other platform dey wey be sey you need to watch me. So I be seeing